Assalamualaikum and good evening to all of you. Let's safeguard public health through the HydroGuard Dynasty team. First and foremost, I'm Nur Atira Fahana and my team member consists of Ahmad Hafiz, Ahmad Mujahid dan Ilmi Nur Aiman. So, today our team gonna be presenting an innovative and integrated solution for water quality monitoring and microbiological analysis. Our team aimed for early detection so that better protection can be given. So, we go to the introduction first about HydroGuard Diagnostic. HydroGuard Diagnostic provide an innovative mobile laboratory service specializing in water quality monitoring and microbiological analysis. By combining one-site sample collection, rapid pathogen detection and digital reporting, we provide accessible and reliable water safety solution for communities, institutions and industry.
And my name is Mujahid. Before that, we need to know what kind of challenge that we are facing so that an accurate solution can be used upon it. So, the first challenge we are facing is bacteria cultivation using traditional agar-based method will take hours to produce result because this will significantly affect the diagnosis due to delay of cultivation, which is very critical when diagnosing infection. The second challenge that we are exposed to the waterborne microbes such as Salmonella typhi, which can cause typhoid fever. Meanwhile, the third challenge that we are facing involves the aquaculture farm industry and a lot of companies that are significantly affected when rapid microbial outbreaks, especially from waterborne species. It may reduce the workforce when the workers are infected with it. Last but not least, the fourth challenge that we are exposed to it that modern diagnostic technologies are often available only in major reference laboratories, leaving regional laboratories with limited access. So, to overcome this limitation, the HydroGuard Diagnostic team's first approach plan is to provide sterilized collection vials with real-time temperature track. Courier dispatch route as a pre-treated action in which can secure optimal environmental species. Our next approach is use the automatic assay that are able to screen targeted DNA profiles, providing an accurate and reliable results by producing turnaround time. Lastly, digital reporting is convenient post-analytical approach that will be automated result using instantly for rapid mitigation action before massive outbreak occurs.
Okay, now the question is how effective the water quality is. So you don't have to worry because with our innovation proposition, the effectiveness is not something that needs to be questioned at all. It is because I can say that our innovation can actually provide lots of benefits, which can include the accuracy of the detection of microbes needed, especially for the detection of rapid infection. Then it also contributes to fast turnaround time and avoiding delayed diagnosis. Other than that, our innovation may also support early detection of water contamination, prevent waterborne disease outbreaks. Additionally, the digital reporting makes the reports action easier and faster. Also comes along with the recommendation and quality improvement. Next is the operational workflow. Okay, our operational workflow starts with the sample collection. The samples are collected to ensure the microbial viability. Then it will be transported under control condition with temperature around 2 to 8 Celsius. And then it can prevent the microbial degradation for analysis. So we use the membrane filtration analysis because the method can enable to recover the microbes. The culture filter membrane will go into incubation at 24 to 48 hours for the colony to grow and develop. After incubation, the colony suspected of being pathogen will undergo gram staining and a few biochemical tests for both identification and confirmation of a pathogen. And the last one is the result will be interpreted and digitally report, done based on guideline by WHO. That's all from me.
Now that you have a better understanding of our operational workflow, let's move on to our market potential. Does our services have great market potential? Yes, it does. As the demand for rapid and reliable water quality monitoring services continues to grow due to increasing concern regarding water contamination, waterborne diseases, and public health safety, our services actually have strong market potential across multiple sectors, as it is designed to meet the needs of rural communities, educational institutions, healthcare institutions, government agencies, food industries, aquaculture farm, household, and even environmental organizations. So, what are the factors driving this market demand? Our service is driven by several crucial market drivers. First of all, there is rising awareness of waterborne diseases among communities, which encourage communities and organizations to monitor their water quality more regularly. Second, stricter water safety regulation require industries and institutions to ensure that their water sources meet safety standards. In addition, there is a greater focus on preventive healthcare where early detection is prioritized to prevent infection and outbreaks from occurring or worsening. Lastly, rising environmental health concerns have significantly increased the need for reliable water quality monitoring to protect both public health and the environment. With these strong market drivers creating continuous demand, HydroGuard Diagnostic is able to generate revenue through several service channels. Our main source of revenue comes from water sample collection and laboratory testing services, where customers pay per sample or per testing package. We can also offer subscription-based monitoring plans for educational institutions, food industries, aquaculture farms, and other institutions that require regular testing. In addition, we can generate revenue through institutional service contracts, where organization pays for scheduled long-term monitoring and testing services. We can also establish government and NGO partnership, which may provide project funding or financial support for water safety initiative in rural and underserved communities. Lastly, we can generate revenue through consultation services and recommendation for water treatment and quality improvement. Now that we have discussed our market potential, market drivers, and revenue streams, you may be wondering, what impact can HydroGuard Diagnostics create? So let us look at the expected impact of our service. Beyond generating revenue, our innovation can actually bring meaningful benefits, not only to public health, but also to communities and the environment. Firstly, in terms of health impact, HydroGuard Diagnostics can support the early detection of water contamination, reduce the incidence of waterborne disease, and improve public health protection. By identifying potential microbial contamination earlier, preventive action can be taken before the situation develops into a larger outbreak. Second, our service can create a positive impact on communities. Early detection and prevention may help reduce healthcare costs, while the operation of our mobile laboratory service can also create employment opportunities. At the same time, healthier communities can lead to improved workforce productivity. Lastly, HydroGuard Diagnostics can contribute to long-term benefits for communities and the environment. Our service can increase awareness of water safety, improve quality of life, and strengthen environmental monitoring. Therefore, HydroGuard Diagnostic is not only a diagnostic service, but also a long-term initiative to support safer water and healthier communities.
So the last part is conclusion. The conclusion is HydroGuard Diagnostic is an important part of public health by detecting and identifying harmful microorganisms in the water sources. The company uses sophisticated microbiological diagnostic methods to correctly identify the bacteria, viruses, and parasites which cause waterborne illness. By detecting microbial contamination early, timely intervention can be taken to help prevent disease outbreak and ensure the safety drinking water. Hydrogun diagnostic play a vital role in protecting community health and in creating safer environment through trusted microbial diagnostic and continuous water quality monitoring. So that's all from us. Thank you so much for watching our video.